Most files or resources for students can be added to Moodle by dragging and dropping. These files include Word docs, PDFs, PowerPoint presentations, sound files, even small videos, and Excel spreadsheets. You'll do this by first turning editing on, then open the section on Moodle where you would like the file to appear. Next, browse in your computer to the location of the file. Click on the file and hold it, and then drag it down into the section on Moodle where you want it to appear. Files first appear at the bottom of the section. You'll know that your file is going to be added when you see the green plus sign and sort of a ghost image of the file on the Moodle shell. Simply let go and your file is uploaded. Now you can move that file anywhere within the section that you'd like it to appear by clicking and holding the arrow, the 4-directional arrow. So click, hold that, and push or drag the file to where you'd like it under the appropriate heading or label, and then let go, and your file will appear where you'd like it. Next, in order to maintain the order and organization, you can click the small drop-down arrow next to Edit and choose Move Right. And that will create an outline format where the files appear indented slightly under the heading. I'll show you what that looks like when I turn editing off. You can see that the file is indented under the heading, which is also directions for the student. This same process works for multiple file types. Now, I'll show you what happens if you don't have editing on. In that case, you may try to drag and drop a file, and you'll see that no little green plus sign appears, and Moodle doesn't seem to be accepting the file. That's because you need to have editing on to drag and drop. So remember to scroll up and turn editing on. Now you know editing's on because you can see all the edit options, and you can repeat the process. And this process works, for example, with PowerPoints. Again, it's first added to the bottom of the section, and then I can click and drag it to where I want it to appear, and then I'll indent it to keep my organization consistent. So that is how you drag and drop files onto your Moodle page.